Hello viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Today we are going to see how to use a ADX indicator on the chart in day trading. Okay, just go to the studies, then click ADX indicator, click done. I will maximize the chart. Okay, you see here ADX indicator will be displaying power of the trend. Okay, it shows the strength. Okay, it shows the strength and which trend will be continuous right now. Okay, in day trading you see a black line is a ADX line, the red line is a negative line of ADX. Okay, the green line is a positive line of ADX. If the red line crosses above the ADX line, the red candles will be appear. It syndicates sellers in the market. Sellers take over the market. Okay, the green line indicates buyers. Whenever the green line cross over ADX line, it shows a green candle. Here we see the ADX line is shown by strength of the ADX. Okay, in 25 the ADX line will be crossed more than 25. It's a good strength. Okay, more than 25 it's a very strong strength of the trend. Okay, which trend continues more than 25 value, it will be very strong. You see here green candles will be appear. Okay, the ADX line will be crossover through ADX. The green line indicates buyers in the market. Seriya, the buyers are highly influenced in the market. Okay, they are the process of ADX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.